know if you have found the owner to the bracelet that you found after the bar fight. Because I'm not the owner, I just want to help you find the owner.
You know what I'm talking about?
Do you know what I'm talking about?
Yeah, the bracelet.
Well, I'm talking about the bracelet too.
Yeah,
But I want to help you find the owner of the bracelet.
that's fine.
Okay.
The party you are calling does not accept your name and phone number, and I'll get right back to you.
Obviously don't care about their bird. They're not answering the phone. What if I have their bird?
Hello?
Hi, my name is Mel, and I'm phoning in regards to the lost lady's wallet.
Yes.
Have you found it?
No.
Well, I actually don't have it, but I'd like to help you find it. Would you be interested in letting us help you find this wallet?
Yeah, that would be great. I would love to find it.
We will come out tomorrow, get some information from you, and then start our little search for your wallet, okay?
Yeah.
Hell yeah. So if we go to her home and find out the history of where she was the day that she lost this wallet and retraced her steps, do you think that we would be able to find the wallet? Do you think that that's a possibility? So I just got done talking to Barbara. Right. And Barbara's a private investigator. So I got some tips from her on how to find this wallet, which is our mission tomorrow. And this guy found a bracelet. He's a bartender at Hannah's. He wants to find the owner to the bracelet. We're gonna go chat with him, see if we can find the owner. Thank you, Bob. I wanted to bring the cameras in there. He said no. I said, I understand. So let's meet tomorrow. And he was skeptical. He didn't really understand. I just want to help the guy. We're gonna phone him at noon.
It's nice that there's nothing wrong.
Well, yeah, but now we can't help anyone. Where else can
Try
we
another
go?
one. There's one up the road here.
Okay, let's do it.
Okay.
So, who am I asking for?
Well, don't ask for Diablo because they're missing.
Well, good. She found her already.
Oh,
All
good.
right, well, I hope that we find this wallet. She does love red. Look at that. She's got a red shirt on. We want to help you find your wallet. Can you tell us when you lost your wallet?
Well, I had picked my son up. He has special needs. He lives in the quads over in Boise. And so I took him grocery shopping. And then he says, well, you know, I got paid. We got to cash my check. And I want to buy you a Mother's Day present. And when I got up the next day, I went to get my wallet out to get my debit receipts.
And it wasn't there.
And it wasn't in my purse.
Where did you lose the wallet?
I'm thinking Shopko because I did have it out to use my debit card to pay for the flowers.
Did you go back and retrace your steps from that day? Did you try doing that?
I
to
did
find
not
it? No.
because of the driver's license missing. So I couldn't even go back to Shopko and look around
for it.
because when I called them, they were not cooperative.
Does it look like this wallet?
No. It opens up. It's about that long, about that high.
Is it more like that?
Yes, it's more like this, yeah.
Really close? Right.
Well, we will do our best to find your wallet for you.
We got a really good virtual plan of attack.
I
We
think
know
so.
where she was.
Definitely. I'm glad that I contacted her last night.
Yeah.
What were you doing last night, Bob? Do you guys happen to have a red wallet in your lost and found?
No,
Has someone returned?
Wallets and stuff like that get turned into us. We actually have to walk in and say.
Okay, so no one's found anything yet.
Hi, this is Robert Neal in Boise, Idaho.
Hey Wes, it's Mel phoning. We spoke last night about finding the owner to the bracelet.
I only got to talk to a machine. They did remind me that our phone call was really
I
important.
know that you probably think this is a joke, but it's no joke. We want to help you find this person, so give me a shout back. And
Is there anybody that works out here?
we're actually looking for a red wallet that may have been left out in this area.
Oh! Deluxe!
Oh my gosh.
See, that's what I'm talking about, the tough questions.
Are you serious? Oh my god, we found it. High five. Hell yeah. Thank you very much. Holy shit.
Dude, that's amazing.
Look, that's what she said.
That's exactly
what she said. So I have good news for you. I do. Is this your wallet? Is that it?
Yes. This is my
Yay! We found it at ShopKo. Yay! Don't cry. You should be excited.
see it again.
Is everything there?
There's my beautiful daughter.
Yes.
That's my only girl and my baby. Where was it at?
It was in the gardening
It
area.
was in the garden
Yeah.
area. Like I said, they wouldn't even go out and look.
You're very welcome.
I can hug everybody.
Yay.
I tell you. This is just amazing.
Hey Wes, it's Mel. Just thought I'd phone you back. I really want to help you find the owner of this bracelet, so please phone me. He's not having it, you guys.
We've got your bracelet. If you've lost a bracelet, we have it.
Did you lose a bracelet at Hannah's?
Neither one of you. Okay.
Well, guys, we helped one person today. We did good. Can't get them all.